Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your team collaboration with Asana detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your browser and navigate to the Asana website. Log into your Asana account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, click the sign up button and follow the prompts to create one. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the Asana dashboard. To create a new project, click on the New Project button located in the upper right corner. Choose between starting from a blank project or using a template. Name your project clearly to reflect its purpose and objectives. Select the appropriate project. Consider whether you want your project to be public to your organization or private. Add team members by clicking the Share button and entering their email addresses. Assign roles to each team member based on their responsibilities. Structure your project by defining sections to organize tasks effectively. Create tasks within those sections by clicking on Add Task. Provide detailed descriptions for each task to clarify expectations. Set due dates for tasks to ensure timely completion. Assign tasks to specific team members to clarify accountability. Use the Attachments feature to add relevant files or resources. Leverage project conversations to discuss important updates and decisions. Monitor progress using Asana's tracking features, like progress charts and dashboards. Encourage team members to update their task statuses regularly. Utilize Asana's integration features to connect with other tools your team uses. Schedule regular check-ins using Asana's calendar view to maintain clear communication. Adjust privacy settings and permissions as team dynamics evolve. Regularly review completed tasks to celebrate achievements and assess performance. Provide feedback on tasks to help team members grow and improve. Utilize Asana's reporting tools to analyze project performance and team productivity. Continuously optimize your workflow based on lessons learned from completed projects. Incorporate feedback from team members to enhance collaboration practices. Stay proactive in addressing potential bottlenecks or challenges within the project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.